All right, time to get serious. This one thing is going to change your business because you're not thinking about it right now, and it's leading you to lose and bleed money. And it is simply looking at your expenses. So if you have expenses where you're paying other people for some goods that you're bringing in and reselling, you might be paying a price that's too high. You need to go back and negotiate. So let's talk about expense accountability. Expense accountability. So obviously, we know we have money coming in, but we need to talk about the money that's going out. So write down your debits, all the stuff that's going out, all right? And then write down the items. So do you have cost of goods sold? You know, for me, in my business, we sell books. So what's the cost of making our books? Well, it's $5 a unit when we order 1,000 at a time. What if we ordered 3,000 at a time? Well, now we can get it down to $3. Are we willing to take that bet that we're able to sell 3,000 books? Are we willing to put that money in order to save $2 a book? If we save $2 a book, that's $6,000 worth of savings if we know that we can sell the 3,000 books. Are we willing to save $6,000 now and pay a little bit more? So those types of things. Also, adjusting your payment terms on your money out. Can you get your payment terms extended to 60 days instead of 30 days? Those are the types of things you need to be addressing. You also need to look at, well, how much money am I spending on certain roles in my business? Because you can go and get video editing done on a website like Upwork and FreeUp for very simple stuff like putting captions on your Instagram videos for like $10 or $11 an hour. So that would get it done very, very fast. All right. So you can reduce the amount of money that you're spending. Also, on commissions that you're paying out, are you overpaying commissions to salespeople, to email copywriters? How can you negotiate deals to bring all of your costs down so that even if you don't make more money, you make the same revenue, but your costs go down? Now you have more profit, all right? So you have to have a lot of difficult conversations in your business so that you can reduce your expenses. You got to have accountability on this. And you can't avoid these conversations. I avoided them for a long time. In fact, when I was a beginner in business, I overpaid a virtual assistant, and then I gave her a raise and more tasks, and she wasn't at that level, and I was paying her way too much, and eventually a lot of tension built up there, and I had to let her go. Because it was my fault first. So get to know your numbers in your business. How much can you pay for certain things? And focus on the profit, right? It's not about revenue, it's about profit that you keep in your business, all right? That's a big challenge for you, a big message for you today, so make sure that you do it. So drop a comment below if you need help. Where do you need help in reducing your expenses in your business? And what other resources can you share with other people, websites, services, that will help reduce other people's expenses? Because, hey, we're a community and we want to get engagement here and help one another out. So let's go and let's grow together.